It is Thursday evening, March 9th, 2023, Winnipeg, Manitoba, minus 6 degrees Celsius. This is a view of Winnipeg Union Station, built 1911. Now served by VIA Rail's Canadian, train number 1 and 2 each way between Toronto and Vancouver, Canada, and VIA Rail's train between Winnipeg here and Churchill, Manitoba, polar bear country. I arrived on VIA Rail train number 1, the Canadian, from Toronto Union Station. We'll now be reboarding to continue on to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Winnipeg, Manitoba, Winnipeg Union Station. Again, Thursday evening,